Hey guys, this is Alexis. This is gonna be a quick video. I just wanna show you the patina on different type of leathers that I have. And we're just gonna go over that. I'm just gonna show you, give you the time frame, how long I had them, and what leather it is, and what it looks like. That's it. And the original leather, or how it looked like originally. Okay, bye. So first up, this is Metropolitan. This is their nude. This is what it looks like. This I had for about a year. This is how it looks like originally. Okay, so that is Metropolitan, their nude, their natural version. And I think that looks really sharp. Here's another example of the nude, what it looks like after a while. This wallet I had probably 3 months. And again, this is the original. Okay. Next up, I do not have the original of this anymore. I'll put a picture up. But this is Wickett Craig, their tooling leather. And look at this handle. And I had this for probably almost 2 years, year and a half or something like that. This is their natural tooling. You could see in the picture how pale it came. It was actually almost white looking. And that's what that patina looks like. And I think that looks really good and actually feels amazing. This is Herman Oak. Okay. And I'll show you a little better version of the Herman Oak. This is the Herman Oak patina right here. And I had this strap probably, like I said, close to 2 years. And this is the original, how it came. But that's all. I just wanted to show you that. Herman Oak, to me, so far, is the nicest. It darkens the most. And patina is really, really nice. Goodbye. Have a good day.